guys, we have a new driveway installation, and this old tired tarmac driveway that's been laid on top of concrete, which we are going to break up and dispose of. And you see this planting area which never really got planted and had some membrane down and is basically disused space on this driveway. So what we're going for is we're going for a functional contemporary driveway with fences either side. We're going to put in some 3-foot panel fencing with concrete posts, concrete gravel boards versus wooden ones rot, so we're going to go for the concrete ones. And if the panels were to bow or over a period of time, then you can just take the panels out and interchange them. We're going to install a soakaway at the front. That's going to go there to collect our rainwater to comply with SUDS, which is Sustainable Urban Drainage Systems. And we have a drainage channel which is going to run all the way across the front, and that is going to connect into the soakaway. Then over here we are going to put an Indian sandstone step. The Indian sandstone, we're going to clad the front of the step with an Indian sandstone slab, and then on top we're going to put Indian sandstone tiles, and they are going to be pointed nicely. It's going to be grey. We're going to use Marshall Savannah blocks. We're going to use them, I believe, in a pennant grey with a charcoal border. Could be subject to change. We're going to use a free size block as well, and we're going to put fencing the same as that side over on this side, and that's really going to create the look with some old drainage there, which we're going to take out, and we're going to sort this bit of pipe work out for them, and that's going to get all connected up and go into the soakaway nicely. So we're going to get start breaking this drive up. We're going to put a pecker on this machine. A pecker is a big tool that goes on this part of the machine. It's like a big pneumatic drill, and this is going to break up our concrete, and then we're going to change onto one of the tooth buckets, start pulling it all up, pile it all up. The grab's going to take it away, and then we're going to scrape up and get all of the rest of the subsoils out. We're going to put our sheet down, we're going to put our base down, we're going to put our edges in on concrete. As I said, we're putting drainage in, and then we're going to put our fences in, and we're going to lay our blocks. Another layer of groundwork, compact that, blocks go down, cut to fit, compacted, and this job is going to look fantastic. So let's get cracking. So as you can see, all the concrete has been broken up nearly, and we are excavating and piling everything up ready for the grab. We are using a Tobermoor Shannon block for this installation in slate and charcoal, which will go around the perimeter to form a border. As you can see, the guys have got the fencing up, groundwork down. We've got concrete posts, concrete gravel boards, and feather edge panels. And as you can see, we have installed the channel drainage, made good of the front edge, put some edging in to make the front edge secure and stable. The soakaway is installed. The sand has been screeded and the blocks are going down. They are a slate Shannon, as we said. That's a recessed manhole cover there. The blocks will go through that. That will be set in sand cement, and the border is round. Guys are laying the blocks down, sand's compacted, and it's ready for the step. So all these gaps will get cut to fit for our charcoal inset border. As you can see across the front, guys just laying the last of the blocks. So the blocks get taken off of the pallet. We mix from pallets. As you can see, it's quite a laborious process, real hard work. And the guys are getting those down to create our finished driveway. This is what our recessed manhole cover looks like, all cut in nice and neat. So you don't even notice the manhole lid, but it's easy to access. And the step, the curbs are in for the step. And we're about to pave inside and down the alleyway. So the kiln dried sand is starting to be brushed in. You can see the Indian sandstone Canada grey in the step, and the whacker plate is being pulled out to compact the entire driveway to make sure it looks lovely and flat like it does here.
Please like, share and subscribe if you like what you see, this fantastic installation. Another one installed by Rite Pave.